Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Totally Not Average Audrey. And before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. So today we're playing Roblox. So today we're playing Roblox, and we're going to be playing Natural Disaster Survival. So let's get on to the video. So in Natural Disaster Survival, there are like these weird settings, like a gas station or a prison or a house. And a natural disaster will happen, and before it happens, it'll tell you, like before the thunder and lightning starts, it'll tell you that it's a thunderstorm, and that you need to get indoors and stuff. Okay, and so I guess right now it was thundering in the prison. Well, it still is, and I don't know if it just started or not. It looks like it did just start. See, I'm not on the top 10 survive list. I usually am. Actually, I might be. I just haven't appeared yet. Because the bottom person is 34. Okay, so looks like it's ended now. I did not survive because I wasn't in it. So let's get on our flight. Okay, so I think some of these people who are in the jumpsuits, I'm thinking that they spawn in one of the prison cells, and then that gets put on them. Prison panic. So yeah, it's that place again. I'm not sure. I think. My gosh. Okay. I'm gonna try going into one of the prisons, because I guess that's how you get your suit. I'm guessing. Okay, I'm gonna see. Hey guys, got a balloon. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, where am I going? Okay, I don't know where to go if I want to get into one of the prison cells. I'm gonna follow this guy. Wait. I did it! Wait, I can't get out! Oh. Okay, so the tsunami has passed, and we survived, but also I figured out to become one of the inmates and get the inmate suit, you have to get your picture taken in that little photo booth. But I'm not sure how to get out. Okay, I survived. Yep. Now I'm gonna see if I got into the leaderboard. Oh, I have 62 wins. I didn't know that. Yay. Okay. Since no. Now let's get onto the flight. So we're here in like Surf Central. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but it looks like some type of storm. So I'm gonna go inside. And my spot in here is always to go under the stairs. It's always under the stairs, no matter what. Always stay here. Just stay here and play what's happening. Okay, so it's acid rain, so I'm gonna go like right here. I don't want to stop. This guy is like an angel cat ice person. Oh, darn it. I'm gonna see here. Whoa, his body looks weird. He's weird. The wall just fell out. And now we're literally. Oh, darn it. Move! What? I'm gonna go over there. Okay. Looks like this is pretty safe still here over here. And looks like it's still pretty safe over here too. Okay, I'm going to go over here. Pretty safe, pretty safe. This sounds like I survived. And so now we're at Fort Undestructible. And I want to get into one of the tanks. Is this one we used to move it? I think it's the bottom one. Wait, how do we move it? I need to zoom out. No, person. Fine. Oh, yay. Move, people. Gosh, I can't see. I'm still dead. Oh! My whole thing's breaking. No! Okay, so that was my last round. But before you exit out of this video, I just want to make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!